Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the machine and files. Get the official Redm server build and place it in a dedicated folder. You need about 8 GB free. Once done, grab a server key from CFX. And store it in your server. CFG so the server can authenticate. Make a user specifically for running the server to isolate permissions. This avoids later file access issues. Finally, extract a minimal resource pack into resources. That gives you something to boot immediately. Now you wire up resources and services. Open server. CFG and add your hostname, max players, and endpoint add TCP and endpoint add UDP lines. Order matters, so start essential and database-dependent resources early. Set up MySQL or MariaDB and create the database. Once done, place the connection string securely in your configuration so scripts can reach persistent storage. Make sure each resource has a valid FX manifest. Lua and correct file permissions. If a resource fails to load, check its manifest and start order first. You're at the finish line. Launch the server from the console and watch startup, logs closely for missing files or database errors. Once booted, connect locally to confirm basic gameplay and run a few script commands to ensure DB writes and resource interactions work. Monitor CPU and memory. If performance lags, reduce SV max clients or disable heavy resources. If something breaks, use the console output and resource state list to trace the issue. Then restart that resource with verbose logging to capture the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.